The bullseye graph is also available in Quantivia and gives insightful information as to what's happening inside a project. Looking at our demonstration project, making both our main and secondary category phase, the system will simply render a single chart showing all the phases aligned. Secondary charts also shown, giving you the average of all these points counted together. The axis on a bullseye chart represents the schedule performance index as well as the cost performance index, and place your categories on a two-dimensional plane relevant to their respective SPI or CPI values. Looking at this graph, we can see that most of the phases are in close proximity to each other, usually a good indication that the project is under control. Looking for instance at procurement, CPI is 0.92 and CPI is 0.76. The best quadrant to be in would be the quadrant where SPI as well as CPI is positive, and the worst quadrant to be in is where SPI and CPI is negative. Putting the data around another category, for instance component, would now first render this graph separately and component. Manufacturing, engineering, methods, procurement are all listed accordingly. Noting with procurement that we have a significant amount of deliverable groupings on the side indicates that there might be a problem with control in this grouping. Evaluating, for instance, what engineering looks like, all of the deliverables are in close proximity to each other, indicative of a group which is under control.